So, hello. We are going to Ikea today, so I'm just gonna do my makeup. I have to test this new foundation that I've got. It's by Hourglass. There you go. It's a foundation stick. So, yeah. Just gonna test it out. So it's normally like here. I'm not sure if this is good for oily skin. I have oily skin. But yeah. By the way, it's in golden. It says golden. The shade is in golden. Okay. And I'm using this Kevin Aquan foundation soft buff powder. So you could see. My lighting is not a great one. So I'm just gonna check. I have this light here. My eyebrows with same eyebrow pencil I have been using for many months now. It's by Hourglass. It is the Arch Brow Sculpting Arch Brow Pencil. So I'm just gonna. I've got a new technique of lining my eye. I'm still using the Into It, but then what I usually do now, just gonna get some mirror. I'm just actually going in the outer corner of my eye, so I don't go inside anymore. I don't line my eye from the inner corner to the outer corner anymore. So I'm just going it to the end bit of my eye and then just swing it around. So this technique is just saving me so much time, especially in the morning if I have to go to work early. So I just line it like that. That's what I do now. But of course, if you do that, you always have to use eyeliner in your waterline, so it's not too obvious that you've got this weird line in your eyes. So I'm still using e.l.f. gel eyeliner. This is really good. I'm not sure if you could see it, but yeah. Just line it like that, just halfway. Yeah, I look creepy in there. I'm just using L'Oreal Manga. So I'm just using this by Terry Sun Designer palette. This is how it looks like. So I'm just using the bronzing part. And now I'm just using the one in the middle. It's like corally shade. Just putting it there. So we are ready now to go out. I'll take you with me in Ikea. So see you. Such a nice bed. So we are just going upstairs now. Piece of lime. Chocolates. Mix of chocolates. Sounds good. Chocolate thing. And this is the popular meat. The restaurant first. This is the menus. Strawberry. Let's try this one. The lime one. I like mashed potatoes.
Mashed potato and jam. Yes, please. We don't have any mash.
So we are going to eat now. I have this food with me. So we have chips and some meatballs, with some sauce and fish and chips, and some tartar sauce. I have this lime cake, lime coconut cake, and some tea.
What's this?
Baby.
So we have to try this.
Baby.
Yeah. Share with mommy, okay? It's good. I like it. So let's eat this.
Oh, how do you change yours to private? How do you change mine to private? How do you change mine to...
So I'm just trying this cake. It's coconut lime cake. You can see it's covered in buttercream and some desiccated coconut on top. It's very coconutty. It's not so much of lime flavor. Slice. like the table setting. It's quite cool. This candle. In the kitchen. I like this. It's like plastic, made of plastic. It's really nice. Oh my God. So nice. I'm not a fan of this room. Don't like this mesh thing going up here. Very colorful. Nice. Okay, moving on to the next room, which is this one. So I have to rush a little bit because we only have 1 hour before the shop closes. I really like this table because you can extend it. So cool. And this chair is an acrylic one. It's £55. This is new one. Haven't seen it. Yeah, I haven't seen it before. This one. It's really nice for a compact living. This is the best. Like this for my kitchen. It's like an island table. So nice. That's the mirror that I want. For my vanity section. I really like this bedroom. That's cute. We'll be back soon. She's got the same one at house. This kitchen. You've got the same one at home, isn't it?
Yeah. Mickey.
What is that then?
Hot, hot, just you. Hot, hot. Mom, look at hot.
Not touch. Okay then.
Hot.
Okay, baby.
Yow, yow. Not that hot.
Okay, thank you for reminding me. What's that?
Four.
Yummy?
Yeah. Eat now.
So in Ikea they also have some cooking pans. So in different sizes. Must be so nice to sleep in her.